Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again, and we got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. We're going to get one at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, add it to your cart. Check out really fast so they can ship it fast. Let's find out what this is. Got here. I don't want to drop you guys down. There you go. And hopefully you guys are being safe, staying home, relaxing. It'll be over soon. We'll make it through it. Oh wow. Oh boy. Here we go, guys. Must be a sign. Might need to do some cleanup around here. Oh boy. That's coming from Goovi. Cordless stick vacuum cleaner. Really nice. Nice color. Got the blue. And there's that. And same thing on the other side. And there's the top. Got that. Right there. Alright, let's get inside. But see what's this all about. There we go. But definitely check on the other items they have to offer. Almost had it. There we go. Got the manual. Go by. And we got here. Here's the goodies. We got the brush for like couches and in between. Probably do a car seat. Clean out your RV. Oh boy, how I did get this out. Alright. Alright. We got the long, this part, nice color. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. Now, oh jeez. Oh man, getting too old. Alright, and it comes out. We got here the bottom, one of the main parts. Really nice. Ooh, look at the brushes. That's an interesting color. Let's see. There we go. Next bottom. Here's front. Side to side. That is really nice. We got, must be the power source. Yep, standard. One of these. Plug it in, charge it. Here is the gun part. Here we go. Kind of looks like a staple gun. You almost charge it right there. That's where it goes, top. Battery release. Sticky. Alright. Here's that. And I got the seal pretty good. Okay, that's gone. As we click it. Got that action going. And then now, oh come on, I'm getting this one off. There we go. Got the battery release. Oh, come on. Back. Oh, let's turn it on. Okay. Okay, there we go. Got that. And we got a replacement one. Really good to have. What are these? Oh, this is to mount it somewhere. I might not need that. There we go. Here's the tank. Da-da. There's a little tank. Max line. They should have a drop bottom. Yeah, right here. Somehow. Yep. See? Just gotta push it in. Boop. And close. Kinda looks like a grinder type deal. There's where you put the hose and everything. I'm gonna have to remove this one. It's been a long day, guys. Here we go. Check that out. And then let's see how I put it together. Hopefully I could do it right. Oh, that was easy. Bada boom. That part's done. So now I'm gonna take this hose, this guy right here. I'm gonna shove it somewhere. Oh, I found a spot. I'm gonna drop the top. Plug it in there. There we go. Click, click. Makes a clicking sound. That means you're good to go. Whoa. Uh-oh. There goes the iPhone. See, it moves. So we're going to drop this on the ground. Don't need that right now. Okay. There we go. There's that. Is there anything else there? Oh. There we go. Come on. This guy for the couch cushions and stuff like that. In between corners, like those spots. The hard betweeners. And we go like something like, what's that rattle sound? Guess we go like this. Boom. Look at that. Now we just go. Alright. Maybe it needs to be charged. Yeah, it needs to be charged. Shoot. Alright, I'm going to charge it up. Give me a little bit and I'll be right back. I'm not going to step on my phone. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We finally got it fully charged. Took about an hour-ish. Maybe a little bit longer, but make sure it's done right, you know. And then push the button. Oops. There we go. Right there. Off. Nice size for a small apartment, condo. Really cool. Nice vacuum cleaner. Get it at a low cost. Check them out, YouTubers. There you go. Be safe. Have a good night.